Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel a booking in Hostinger website builder appointment system. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger website builder, and I've already made an appointment or a booking on this online store for a previous tutorial. And in this video, I will share with you how to cancel this booking or appointment. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to locate this exact online store, I will search for it using the website URL. This is the website. Click on Manage Store to go straight to the store management area. First, click on Appointments to easily locate the exact order you want to cancel or appointment you want to cancel. Tomorrow I have 2 bookings, and let's say that I want to cancel the second booking. Let's move this webcam away. In order to locate the exact order to cancel and to avoid mistakes, copy the client email address just like that and go to the orders page. Now search using find search using the email address you've just copied in order to easily locate the exact order to cancel. Now click on it. From this order page, click on more actions and select cancel order. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Select cancel order. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Send cancellation email to your customer. You can preview the email like that. This is the cancellation email. You can select between sending the cancellation email or not. Let's send this cancellation email. Click on cancel order, and as you can see, order cancelled successfully. And this is how to cancel a booking order in Hostinger website builder appointments system. Thank you for watching. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and see you in the next video.